Get ready, Apple fans. The much-anticipated iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be a game-changer in 2025. Let's dive into the exciting leaks and rumors about Apple's next affordable powerhouse. First up, the design. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to look strikingly similar to the iPhone 14, featuring a 6.1-inch OLED display. Say goodbye to LCD screens. This upgrade is bringing vibrant colors and deeper blacks. Under the hood, we're talking about some serious performance boosts. The SE 4 is rumored to pack the A18 chipset, the same as the iPhone 16 series, and a whopping 8 GB of RAM. That's double the memory of its predecessor, promising smoother multitasking than ever before. Photography enthusiasts rejoice. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to feature a single 48-megapixel rear camera, a massive leap from the previous 12-megapixel sensor. Better photos, improved night mode. It's all here. And that's not all. Face ID is reportedly replacing Touch ID for enhanced security, while a USB-C port ensures faster charging and compliance with global standards. Battery life? You're covered. The SE 4 is rumored to include a larger 3,279 mAh battery, delivering longer usage time compared to the previous model. Now, let's talk pricing. With all these upgrades, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to start between $499 and $549, a small bump for a big leap in features. Remember, these are just leaks for now. The official reveal is sure to bring even more surprises. Are you excited about the iPhone SE 4? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates. See you next time.